Now for part A, we are supposed to draw the number line on separate diagrams for part 1 and part 2. So let's solve part 1 first. Okay, by expanding the left side, so I will get 6 minus 3x, x plus 8. So just bring over this 3x to add on to the other side, so it becomes 4x. 8 bring over, so I get 6 minus 8, which is minus 2. This will simply give me x greater than negative half. So the number line you're supposed to draw in scale so negative half greater than negative half, so this way. And then part 2, expanding the left hand side will just give us 3x squared minus 9 less than equals to 2x minus 1. So bring over to achieve a positive x squared. It will be easier to do. So negative 2x, just bring over negative 2x. Minus 1, bring over plus 1. So minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. Less than 0. We can also factorize this expression, quadratic expression. So factors of 8, 2 and 4, 6 and 4 will give us 2, so it's minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 gives us minus 2x. So for a graph, using a graphical method to solve this inequality, this is actually a quadratic expression, so we can draw a positive x squared graph. Notice that there's an equals 0, so it's easier to understand that both are actually factors, so they will give us a roots. One will give us the root 2, a root that's x equals to 2. The other root will give us a value of negative 4 over 3. This is similar to remainder theorem concept. Now, just looking at the quadratic graph, we want the range where it's less than or equals 0. So we'll have to look below the x-axis. So covering the part that's on top of the x-axis, what we see is this below graph. So the range is actually simply minus 4 over 3 to 2. And similarly, number line answer this is negative 4 over 3. So from this point, notice there's an equal sign, so you have to shade this part to the 2, which is also an equal sign, so you have to put a 2 here equal. So draw a line to get this answer as the number line representation. Now part B simply states the values of x where it will satisfy both inequalities. Now this values of x for part B you can answer in terms of the range. So I will just combine both answers into one simple line graph, number line. So combining the negative half answer greater than negative half, my required answer will be inside this range. From negative half all the way to 2. So since negative half is not included because of the unshaded part, so we'll follow this. So we just write minus half less than x less than equals to 2, which just simply means minus from minus half to 2 without including minus half as the answer. So that will be the answer for part B.